Okay, so to create my designs, the first thing I did was actually look in detail at Hoekstra's work. And what I realised is he likes to combine quite random objects, but some of them are quite interesting. So for example, this particular piece here, I was thinking about the link between the crocodile and the shoe. So it could be to do with sort of using animal skins for products, and it could be to do with like protecting animals and stopping people wearing things like fur and things like real animal skins. So I took the idea of looking at an actual issue with my designs. That's what I wanted to do. Okay, so what I thought about then is an issue that interests me, that I feel quite passionately about. So the first thing I thought about was sort of like global warming and the effect that it has on the planets and the effect that we as human beings have on animals. So I thought about all of the sort of problems with plastics in the ocean. So then that led me to look at animals that are particularly affected by that. So the first thing I thought about was sea turtles, and how you see images of sea turtles with can wrappings stuck around the shells and caught in plastic lines and straws up their noses and things. So that's what I wanted to focus on with my design. So the first thing I did is I went onto the internet and I got an image of a sea turtle, and I also got an image of some plastic bottles and one of the things that holds cans. I'm not sure what they're actually called. Okay, and then my idea was that I was going to use the shape of the turtle. So if I get my design now, I was going to use the shape of the turtle. So I've just drawn that out in pencil, and then I've used the idea of the can packaging to make up the pattern in its shell. I was then going to fill the pattern with bottles to combine them. Okay, I've done a similar thing in a similar sort of theme with the idea of putting a penguin and a kettle together. Okay, again, looking at global warming, looking at the idea of the sea levels rising and the ice caps melting. So then I thought about these two items would go quite well to show that. So then again, I did a pencil outline, but you can see that is my piece that I've then created inspired by his work.